Welcome to Biz Tips Thursday. Today we're talking about deferred compensation. What is deferred compensation? Deferred comp is a contractual promise between a business owner and a key employee of a reward in the future in exchange for an accomplishment, action, or result today. It's often used to recruit top talent, retain key employees, reward accomplishments, and enhance retirement by allowing your employees to be more comfortable down the road. Too often we hear business owners lament, "I need to grow by a certain percentage. If only I had the time to expand to a different product line. This manager is good, but I'm not sure that they're great. How do I find out? I want to sell my company to a key employee, but I don't think they have the money to pay me." Well, if you believe that actions speak louder than words, a well-defined deferred compensation arrangement plan gives you the ability to show your long-term commitment to a key employee while giving your key employee the chance to take ownership of an initiative. Here's an example. A manufacturing company has most of their business coming from a particular sector. The owner really wants to expand the business, but she hasn't had the time to be able to work through that expansion. In addition, the margins are shrinking because the competitive landscape is getting a lot tighter in the current target market. So the owner decides to empower one of her key sales managers who's been showing a lot of initiative by setting up a deferred compensation arrangement. The deal she makes is this. If this key employee can grow the business by more than 7% per year while keeping margins at or improved from the current levels, then she will be rewarded a bonus the equivalent of 10% of the profits above the 7% threshold. 1/3 of that would be payable today, 2/3 3 years from now, if the employee is still at the company. This creates one of 3 scenarios. Number 1, the growth happens, the manager stays. Well, that's great because the manager is compensated handsomely for their ownership mentality, and now the business has a whole new growth path. Number 2, the growth happens, but the manager leaves. Well, they received a meaningful bonus up front, but the owner avoided investing too much in someone who wasn't similarly invested in them. And what if the growth doesn't happen and the initiative is failed? Well, the bonus wasn't achieved. A simple example of a powerful concept. If you're looking for creative ways to empower your people and grow your entity, think about deferred comp. If you have questions about this type of plan and if it might be right for you, don't hesitate to reach out.